The tank car chassis with motor offers a robust platform for DIY enthusiasts, allowing for creative expansion with its multiple ports compatible with popular controllers like Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Its engineering plastic tracks provide exceptional elasticity and damping, ensuring a smooth ride with excellent road grip, while the high-torque DC motors support a weight of up to 5 kilograms. Designed with a strong tank bracket, this chassis is not only low noise but also easy to control, featuring a variety of brackets for secure assembly and optional top bracket disassembly for more customization. This kit encourages a hands-on experience as it comes unassembled, yet it includes a detailed video guide to assist in the enjoyable DIY assembly process. Ideal for hobbyists and educational purposes, the chassis is frequently chosen by schools for teaching artificial intelligence and robotics, making it a great tool for competitions and research projects. Manufactured by Hiwonder and branded as LewanSoul, this tank car chassis kit in black combines quality and versatility for an engaging learning experience.